MP Crew, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to try to help you save some coins for your everyday household needs. This deal took place at Family Dollar. I paid $10.80 out of pocket plus tax, so a total of $12.05. If you're still interested, then keep watching. This deal is still active. It won't end until February the 1st. A new deal will start February the 2nd. No need for paper coupons. All these coupons are digital on the Family Dollars app. So if you don't have the Family Dollars app, go ahead and download the app on your smartphone, and then you want to go ahead and click those coupons into your shopping cart. The first thing I picked up was the Game Flings. They have a 14 count on sale now for $3.95 with a $2 smart coupon, an electronic coupon from the app, making the final cost $1.95. Homeline laundry packs 14 through 16 count is on sale for $1.95 as well. It's a smart coupon, which is a digital coupon for $1, making that final cost 95 cents to try this pack. The Purex packs are also part of that deal. They're on sale for $1.95 with a $1 digital coupon, making it 95 cents for the Purex packs as well. So you can pick up both of them. A variety of the Gain products are on sale, such as the Gain Liquid, the fabric softener, the powder, the dry sheets, and the fireworks. They're all on sale for the price of $3.95 with a $1 smart digital coupon, making that final cost $2.95 per item. Just read the coupon to make sure that it applies to the product that you're picking up. Febreze air sprays are priced at $3 per unit in the stores. However, they have two yummy coupons for us for the Febreze. They have a buy two, get one free, and then there's another separate coupon, buy two and save three. So I picked up 5 units and was able to use both coupons. So last I want to mention that Family Dollar has a $5 off $25 coupon that's for everyone. So you want to make sure you clip that to your cart as well. It'll automatically come off at the register as well as all of your other digital coupons. In my case, my subtotal was $26.80 plus tax. After all the coupons came off plus that $5 off 25, I paid $10.80 out of pocket plus tax, which is a total of $12.05. If you think this deal can help you and your family, let me know in the comments down below. Please feel free to copy this deal and bag those savings. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a part of my New Pout crew, hit the subscribe button and then welcome to the family. My New Pout crew, thank you so much for your support. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.